Top 6. Best Orbital Sander. However, when it's time to choose the right best orbital sander, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best orbital sander on the market today, so if you're interested in what best orbital sander will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Bosch Orbital Sander with Vacuum Attachment.
This is the Bosch ROS 20VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute lets you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a half a micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. This sander is also compatible with standard 1 1/4 inch and 1 1/2 inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum hose and most European hose sizes. So this is it, the Bosch ROS 20VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Perfect for any professional. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Number 2. DeWalt Random Orbit Sander. Number 3. Craftsman CMEW231 Random Orbital. The Makita BO5030/31/32K range of orbital sanders is probably the most popular group of orbital sanders made by Makita. There are several models which are very similar in terms of design, feature set, and quality. We originally reviewed the BO5031 Makita Orbital Sander, and after using it for a short time decided it was well worthy of being on our top orbital sander list. However, this particular model has since gone out of stock, and has become difficult to buy online. As such, we have looked at a similar model, the Makita BO5030K, which is available on Amazon, and is very similar to the model that we previously reviewed. Makita BO5031 BO5032-300x300. The point is that all of the orbital sanders in the Makita BO50 range are very efficient, affordable, and extremely functional for most typical DIY home projects, and for that reason, we have rated it as the best orbital sander for home DIY projects. Number 4. Craftsman CMEW231 Random Orbital.
Introducing the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander features a low-profile design for added control and is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4 inch back hose for high-performance dust collection. It also features a dust-sealed switch, which provides durability. This sander can also be stored easily away between uses. Get your job done the easy way with the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. Craftsman. We build.
Number 5. Black Plus Decker 20V Max Random Orbital Sander. Number 6. Bosch Power Tools Get 75-6N. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.